How's it going? This is Data Coach Alex, and welcome to Alteryx 2-Minute Tools. The text to columns tool takes the text in one column and splits the string value into separate multiple columns or rows based on a single or multiple delimiters. So basically, this is the most common tool we use to split one column of data into two or more columns of data. The kicker is we need a consistent delimiter, like a comma, tab, or pipe, in order to do this splitting. We have some actor and movie data here. The issue is the first name, last name, and movie are all in the same column. We want to split this out into multiple columns. Luckily, we know where to split it based off of the pipe. A pipe is the vertical bar symbol that you see on your keyboard. This is a common delimiter. Let's add a text to columns tool from the parse menu to our workflow. On the configuration pane, we can select the following: the name of the field that has the data we want to parse out into multiple columns, what our delimiter is, comma is the default and the most common, but here we're going to change it to pipe. How many new columns should there be? In this case, we know we want to create 3. After we run our workflow, we can now see that we have the data in 3 correct columns. There's a small problem though. They aren't named well. We almost always want to pair our text to columns tool with a select tool. On the select tool configuration, deselect the original field as we no longer need it. Finally, rename these fields that are parsed out. In this case, it'll go first name, last name, and movie. As always, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Data Coach channel for more awesome lessons on Alteryx and all things data, analytics, and visualizations. Follow Data Coach on Twitter at AskTessellation and follow me personally on Twitter at Abracadata89. Thanks again.